I made this game using ChatGPT, and today I can show you how you can too. Go to chat.openai.com. Type provide PyGame code for a racing game. In this game, the player controls a vehicle and races against other vehicles, avoiding obstacles and collecting power-ups. Should have a background image and should have sound. ChatGPT will provide us with the Python code to build this game. The code has completed. Copy the code. Open Visual Studios and create a new file. Call it game.py. Paste the code. It looks like we have an issue with a variable called powerup_list. It's not declared. Under setup list for obstacles, type powerup_list equals open and close brackets. Let's go to Google to find some images for our game. Step 1. Do a search for top view roads. I found an image that I like. Right-click, save as map.png. Save the following file in the same folder of your project. Now do a search for top view cars PNG. Right-click, save as car.png. Next, do a search for obstacles PNG. I like this obstacle. Right-click, save as obstacles.png. Do a search for power-up PNG. I like this image. Right-click, save as powerup.png. Step 2. Go to photopea.com so we can change the size of the images. Drop in the power-up image. Go to image size. Change the height to 128 and the width to 128. Click OK. Now let's export the image. Click on File, Export as PNG. Click Save. A dialog box will pop up. Name it PowerUp. Click Save. Select Yes to replace the current file. Close this file. Drag in the obstacle. Click on Image size. Change the height to 128 and the width to 128. Click File, Export. Export as PNG. Name the file obstacles.png. Close this file. Drag in the car. Image size. Change the width to 56 and the height to 107. This will give me the right size for the game. Now let's export the car. Click on File, Export as PNG. Click Save. Name this car.png. Click Yes to overwrite the file. Close this file. Now let's import the map. Click on Image size. I'm going to keep the map at this size. You can change yours if you like, just make sure to save and replace the file. Now let's get some sounds. We need sounds for when we collide with the obstacle and when we pick up power-ups. We will also download background music for our game. I will show you how to implement that in the code. Let's go to videvo.net. Click on Audio, Sound Effects, and do a search for Crash. Let's play the first sound. I like this sound. Click Download. Click Free Download and select Wave. Save it as crash.wave. Click on Audio, Sound Effects. Click on Filter, scroll down, select Impacts. Play dumbbell weights. I like this sound. Download. Click Free Download and select Wave. Save as powerups.wave. Now let's head over to feslianstudios.com where we can download our background music. Select Electronic 8-bit. Download 8-bit retro funk. Save as backgroundmusic.mp3. Step 3. Let's go back to the code. Let's update the code to match the file names of the files we have downloaded. Change this to map.png. Change this to car.png. This should say obstacles, add an S. Change this to crash. Now let's add the code for the background music. Add this code here. Here we're inserting the music file. Let's update the name of our music file. Call it music.mp3. Add this code here to tell the game when to play the song. We will add this code here to tell the game to stop playing the music when the game ends. Save the file. Go to the terminal and run this command, pip install PyGame. This will install dependencies needed for this game. Now run python game.py. The power-up image is too large. Let's go back to Photopea and change the size. Click on Image, Image Size. Change the height and the width to 64. Click OK. File, Export as PNG. Save and overwrite the file. Let's get back to the script. Run python game.py. The game is working, and the obstacle size looks fine to me. In this last example, I have updated some areas of the code. I have converted the background image into a GIF. That way the background looks like it's constantly moving. I will provide that in the description below.